Please enter your message here. Welcome to a game really like STW. Please enter your message here. In front of me is someone sleeping, that's why you hear poor. Cancel. Please enter your message here. So, this game is called Cancel. Please enter life in nature. Cancel. Please enter your nature. Cancel. Please flow. Text pasted. Private message sent to said 99. Hey, I am making YouTube video, wanna help me with the basics? Please enter your message here. This is the one who is sleeping here. Mustafa. Private message from said 99. Hi. Private message from said 99. Okay. Please enter your message here. Cancel. Please enter your message here. So we are in Middle Valley, the starting map. Cancel. You can't collect this. Private message from said 99, waiting. Private message sent to said 99, for what? Please enter your N. Cancel. Please enter your message here. And it is night currently. Private message sent to said 99, for what are you waiting? You can't. Sword, hammer, shield, L endpoint, torn shoes, L, Please enter your message here. E, T. In this game you can complete quests and do much other stuff. Cancel. Sitting. You. Private message sent to said 99, come on. Paddle, sword, hammer, sword, paddle, you have one. Said 99, you just gave one paddle to said 99. Sword, hammer, L, private message from said 99, what? Type. Private message sent to said 99, I wanna craft my own. Battery, and bone healer. Battery, torn, table came up, sword, hammer, shield, sword. Sword. Please enter your message here. Oh. Sometimes, the server lags, so if I log out and log in again, don't worry. Private message from said 99, how do you have a sword? Did you make it? Rappin came online. Private message sent to said 99, someone gave me. Right. Cancel. Said 99 just gave you one axe. Sword. Antibiotic, hammock, axe, you have two. Players menu. Said 99, 1. You just gave, really exit, cancelled, type a command. Type. Private message sent to said 99, I already have one. Please enter your message now. Please enter your message here. W. S. Dot. To get to wood, and also to make fires, we need wood. Cancel. Roflof. Cancel. Private message from said99, do you want a specific item or something together? Table went offline. Private message sent to said99, I just want to that you help me with that YouTube video. Please enter S. Rappin came, we need tree. Cancel. Private message sent to said99, first, I wanna cut down a tree. The bait. Shallow stream. Private message from said99, okay come. Supernatural said99 is Supernatural said99 is behind and slide. Tiger came online. Private message sent to said99, but let me cut down it. Private message. Supernatural said99 is in front and a Supernatural said99 is slightly behind and far off to the left, 13 feet away. Middle. Find the base mountain. A tree is behind and a little tree. Please enter. Cancel. Right hand. Please enter your message here. First let's get a bit branch from the tree. Cancel. Antibiotic. Axe. Supernatural said99 is straight behind, 1 feet away. Type a command. Type a command. Private message sent to said99, can you climb up the tree and then I cut down it? Please enter your message here. Private message from said99, no. You can cut down a tree with any melee weapon, knife, axe, sword, etc. Private message from said99. Please enter your message here. Private message from said99, I will die because the damage from the fall is too high. Please enter your message here. Let's cut down it now. Please enter your message here. I am doing with axe. Please enter your, and boom, cancel. Right hand. Please enter your message here. Now we have great wood. Rappin went offline. C. Please enter your message here. Now, let's make a meal. Private message sent to said99, I will make a meal. Please enter your message here, space. Private message from said99, okay. Pot, you have one. Clay. Pot. Pot. Please enter your message here. Okay, still water in here. Cancel. Cancel. Flow. Cancel. Please enter your message here. So first combine clay with clay for pot. Cancel. Please enter, then fill the pot with water. Please enter your message here. Now we need to use fire starter. Cancel. Please enter your message, and he already did that for us. Cancel. Middle Valley. Rip pants. Pot. Pot. Private message sent to said 99, listen. Type. T. Private message sent to said 99, please stop. Please enter your message here. Private message from said 99, okay. Please enter your message here. We need to make the water in this pot boiling. Cancel. Please enter your message here. To do that, press space with pot of water in your hand until it is boiling. Cancel. Please enter your message here. Then you need to be quick. Cancel. Please enter your message here. Elon came. The water could cool down if you are too slow. Cancel. Please enter your age. Elon went up. We must combine it with a meal kit then. Right hand. Pot. Rappin came online. Cindy went up. The water is now boiling. Pot of meal kit. You pour the contents of the meal kit into the water and mix. Private message sent to said 99, nom nom. You pour the contents of the meal kit into the water and mix it up. Stereo. Empty wallet, water, empty wallet. Empty wallet, eatable meal kit. You have 4. Jesus. Eatable meal. Private message from said 99, how do you do it, can you tell me? Please enter your message here. This thing reduces hunger and thirst a bit. 178 thirst. Stereo came up. You have just torn. 139 hunger. 113 thirst. 0 hunger. Left hand. Type. Private message sent to said 99, first, fill a pot with water. Then press space multiple times with the pot in your hand and over a fire. If the water is boiling, combine this pot with the meal kit. Please enter your message here. Tea. E. If we combine a pot of boiling water with leaves, we can make tea. U. Raft protein. Water. U. Wood. Raft protein. L endpoint. Pot. Sitting supernatural said 99 is straight behind tree. Right hand. Pot. You. Pot. You have 1. Branch. Pot, L. Raft protein. Wood, water, you have 20. Water that has been stored in a clay pot. While not cold. Pot. 62 thirst. 2 thirst. Left hand. Type a command. Cancel. Please enter your message here. Let me log out and in server seems lagging. Really exit. Exiting. Live in. Logging in as Dobby. Tree. Middle Valley. Pot. Sit. You have pot, branch, sword, hammer, hammer, hammer. Type a type R set 99 space error player not found type 0 private message from set 99 you cannot provide sufficient conditions. Private. Please tech cap P, T, cap M, E, F, S, D, I, A, S, space, S, A, I, D, 9. Cancel. Out of character, Joris Portugal says hi all. Out of character, said 99. Pinging. The ping took 800. You have pot, branch, sword, hammer, sword, branch, sword, hammer. You have one. Pot. Middle Valley. Too much water. Near tree. Tree. Type. Rapin went offline. Error, player not found. Type. Private message sent to said 99, server lag. Pinging. The ping took 100. Private message from said 99, yeah. You have torn shoes, torn shirt, ripped cup of soup, fire starter, sleeping shield. Please enter your message here. Okay, what should we do now? Type a out of character, 3 Peel says oops, why someday I get 20 gifts and someday I get only 16 or 19. Elon. Private message sent to said 99, I am just searching for leaves, I will be back soon. Leaves? Cancelled. Private message from said 99, IJ. Middle Valley. Tiger. Private message sent to said 99, can you give me leaves or not? Tiger came online. Private message from said 99, Pest K. Private message from said 99, cancelled, find what? Leaves? Joris Portug, cancel. Leaves, in front and slightly off to the right, 181 tiles away. Type a command. Private message sent to said 99, come with me. In front and slightly off to the right, 100. You can now trust said 99. Private message sent to said 99, trust me. N. Fucking wolves. Slightly in front and a fair distance off to the right, 46. Leaves. Zero. Error, said 99 doesn't. Private message sent to said 99, type in command trust Dobby. Please enter your message here, should be enough. Cancel. Shallow water. Please enter your message here. Let's just follow the stream back. Cancel. The river, cancel. The water, cancel. Row flow 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 flow. You are not 3 peels went offline. What, stop tracking, 1 stone is behind and a fair distance. There is no one. Stop tracking. Stop. There is no one. What? Fire with 600 and private message sent to said 99. I am back. Please enter your message here. Let's make a tea now. Leaves. Pot. Pot. The water is now boiling. Pot of leaves. You pour the contents of the meal kit into the water and mix it up. Alert. Said 99 now trusts you. T. You have 6. Type. Cancel. Please enter your A. Roflow I did not use a meal kit. Cancel. Tree. Tree. Tea. Pot of tea, tea. Pot of tea, tea. Pot of tea, you have 1. Tea. Braddock came online. Tea. There is no description of pot of tea. There is no description. Pot of tea. Elon came online. 40 thirst. Tea. Pot of tea. 41 thirst. Tea. Pinging. Really exit. Life in nature. Log in with Dobby. Logging in as Dobby. Tree. Middle. Let me drink this tea. Tea. Pot of tea. Pot of tea. The day is slowly starting to drift away as dusk replaces it. 42 thirst. Right. Pot of tea. You, tea. Tea. 43 thirst. Tea, pot of tea. Pot of tea. 1000 health. 44 thirst. Tea, you have 6. Pot of tea. Please enter your message here. D. U. O. O. I. Y. I think tea gets you health back. Let's see. Cancel. Tree. Middle valley. Tree. Middle. Tree. Tree. Torn shoes. LN point. Knife. 840 hell. Knife. Tea. Pot of tea. Pot of tea. 842 hell. Out of character, Dobby says does tea work? Please enter your message here. Out of character, Dobby says I can't turn K my pot of tea. You, tea. Pot, water, you, branch, water, pot of tea. Out of character, said 99 says select an option. Out of character, said 99 says. Please enter your message here. Out of character, Dobby says does the tea work now or not? Tea, pot, water, branch, sword, hammer, shield, hammock, axe, block, water bottle, eatable meal kit, water bottle, you have one. Eat up clay, wood, empty wallet, coin, string. Out of character, said 99 says I don't know. Please wow. Cancel. You, tea, you have 6. Pot of tea. Pot of tea. You don't see any way to use those. Right hand. Pot of tea. Tea, pot of tea, water, branch, water, water that, please enter your message here. Tea. But since tea and pot of tea have no description, I think they don't work yet. Cancel. Middle valley. Please enter your message here. Next step, what my friend here is doing. Cancel. Please enter your message here. Cancel. Type. Private message sent to said 99, can you give me a skillet? You have tea, pot of tea, water, branch, sword, hammer, shield, hammock, shield, shield. Share Tambi went offline, 865 hell. Private message from said 99, sorry, I have one and I want it. Share. Private message sent to said 99, where can I get it? Cancel. Please enter your message here. View help. Private message from said 99, you can cook with Basque. Private message from said 99, spit. Private message sent to said 99, where can I get the skillet? Commutin logger went. Private message from said 99, from the village you can collect it? Please enter your message here. Oh the village. Cancel. Oh dear. Cancel. Private message sent to said 99, but the way through ocean is so long with boat and paddle. Please enter your message here. Currently, I am using a free account by the way. Please enter your message here. Private message from said 99, yes. Please enter your message, cancel. Please enter your message here. Stereo went offline. E. Paid players have an item limit of 200, health limit of 1000 and energy limit of 1000. Cancel. Please enter your message here. space, V, A, H. Space. Paid players don't have item limits, and can have up to 10,000 energy and 1,500 health. Cancel. L. N. I will make myself a paid account as soon as possible. Cancel. Please enter your message here. Sorry, you seem to have. Sorry. Logging in. Tree. Please enter your message here. S. Resender came online. Space. Said 99 just gave you one hammock. Mustafa 5 went offline. Now currencies. Coins, used for vending machine I think. LLN point, obtained by completing quests and you can buy a few items with them. LN credit, obtained with real money, 1,200 to get a paid account, can be spended in rare items. Please enter your message here. LN point sorry. Middle Valley. Please enter your message here. Now cooking. Cancel. Please enter your message here. Since I don't have a skillet, we must do that with spit now. Fire with 295 Please enter your message here. Cancelled. To start a fire, use a fire starter. If you put wood in it, it lasts longer. Cancel. Fire starter. L. Cup of soup, tea, pot of tea. Cup of soup, pot of tea, cup of soup, compass, cup, coins, clay, L. Please enter your message here. Ianx came online. Okay, we need a food resource. Cancel. Let's go fishing first. Cancel. Please enter your message. For that we must craft a net. Debut debut LN. Life in nature. Life to list link visited link crafting system. Volstandic gelatin. Compass heading level 3. List with 4 items 1. Combine grass plus grass to make string dot. You will need 400 total grass, resulting in 400 strings. D, E, space, E. Private message sent to said 99, give me a net please. Out of character. Please enter your message here. 400 strings is much. Out list with 4 items 1. Ripped pants, sleeping pill. You have sleeping pill, string, you have 50 coins, empty wallet. Please enter your message here. Out of character, Dobby says can someone give me a net? To combine string, x 400, plus, empty hand, to make one broken net dot, this represents weaving the strings. Out of character, Dobby. Out of character, all. Private message from said 99, no non. Private message from said 99, Nate. Private message from said 99, I don't have a network, sorry. Please enter your message here. Cancel. Please enter your message here. How should we get to this now? View quest language menu. Spend LN point. Band-aids. Bone healer. Bag of strings. 30 PTS. So spend LN. LN point. You have 45. Private message from said 99. I don't have. I mean, this translator is squirming. Please enter your message here. Oh fuck. Cancel. Please enter your message here. Then we need something else. Cancel. Need. Cancel. You have tea, pot of tea, water, branch, sword, hammer, shield, hammock, axe, LN point, torn shirt, rip, cup of soup, fire, meal kit, compass, radio, flare, matchbox, battery, band-aids, sleeping pill, bone healer, antibiotic, revolver, bullet, stone, wrap protein bar, knife, blue watch, cup, spit, towel, string, coins, empty wallet, wood, clay, eatable meal kit, water bottle, block, axe, hammock, shield, hammer. You are wearing ripped pants, sleeping, shield. Please enter your message here. Well, I have no idea what to cook. Cancel. Grass. You, grass, you have 3. Patrick. Grass. Grass, you have 12. Grass, you have 2. T, you, grass. Craft 2, 1 combine grass plus grass to make string dot. You will need 400 total grass, resulting in 400 strings. Please enter your message here. 0 T I. No, I think then we need 4000 total grass, resulting in 400 strings. Cancel. Please enter your, oh damn. Sleeping, sword. Near the shallow stream. 900. Near Middle Valley. Out of character, said 99 says congratulations. You've completed the searching oyster quest. Grass, you have 2. 1 death bear is in front and near the middle. Please enter your message. Very great. Please enter your X. Actually, I wanted to do the combat later UT. Please enter, but you are wearing a shield on your body. There are no animal. A coyote slightly behind and Braddock went offline. Press a shift and near the near Paquito came online. Please enter your, oh dear. You are wearing a shield on your body. 900. 1 death coyote is in. Please enter your message here. Cancel. Please enter your message here. Out of character, Dobby says I killed my first animals. 934 energy. Welcome. Out of character, said 99 says good. What do you want? 1 dip bowl is slightly 2 dip bowl, 1 dip bowl, a tree is slight, stop tracking. What? Stop tracking. Cup of soup. Compass. North at 0 degrees. The shallow water, shallow stream. Press to go weed, pond. To go to weed, pond. Slightly in front and a fair distance off to the right, 166. The base, near the Please enter your message here. S. Where was the fire? 1 death coyote is slightly behind and far off to What? 1 dip bowl is slight, 2 dip, 1 dip bowl. Middle valley. Near the What? Cancelled. Praise flint, pond. The praise in front and What do you want? Stop, shallow, straight in front. 83 tiles away. Pond. What? A destroyed tree is in front, a tree is slightly in. Elon is in front and a middle. Near the middle valley. Elon is straight in front, 1 feet away. Elon. Error, player not found. Elon. Space. Space. Cap A, E, L, I, N, space. R. Private message sent to Elon, hi. Ripped pants, bullet, revolver, fire starter, you have a private message from Elon, hi. Fire, please enter your message here, let's start this fire. Raft pro, clay, wood, you have 38. What? Fire with 418 smoke. Dip bowl, death coyote, death bear. Knife. 974 health. 974 health. Knife. Right hand. U. F. K. Just be careful not to cut your hand. 881 health. Skin bear. LN point. Knife. 820 health. Raw bear meat. You have 8. L. Sleeping pill. Towel. Spit, Rob. Please enter your message here. Space. C. S. The first possibility of cooking is to combine the meat with a spit. Spit bear meat. Spit bear meat. Please enter your message here, and now press space once. Please enter your message here. Now we can just wait. Cancel. The second one is with a skillet, which I don't have. A. Private message sent to Elon, can you give me a net? Elon is in front and very slightly to the right, 23 feet away. Matten came online. Please please enter your mess. Great. Spit eatable bear meat. Private message from Elon, I'm making one for myself. Sleeping. Sword. Middle. D-set came online. What do you want to track? A tree. One death bear is straight in front. Out of character, Mird says lol. You are stunned. Please wait until the stun is end. Please enter your message here. Out of character, Davi says Mird, do you have net for me? There is no one around. Fire with 200. A tree. Fire with 2. Middle. You, death bear, eatable bear meat. Eatable bear meat. 51 hunger. Left hand. Nom nom. Cancel. Out of character, Mird says lol, I died yesterday because of this stupid lag, I lost everything. Please enter your message here. Out of character, Davi says should I then stop playing this game if you can die because of lag? Paquito went offline. Out of character, Mird says I think so. Paquito came online. Out of character, Mird says so much lag here. Please enter your message here. Space. Brothers, don't worry, we won't stop. Cancel. Please enter your message here. Out of character, at least not until we lose everything. Out of character, said 99 says yes. Out of character, Davi says I won't stop. Death bear, you have one. Rob, dip bowl, death coyote, grass, tea, grass, you have two. Out of character, said 99 says but the team working on this game will fix the problem and then you can play. Cancel. Please enter your message here. So, I think that's it for this video. Cancel. Please enter your message here. I will now work on crafting a net for myself, then we can also, well, fish. Please enter. Elon went offline. Thanks for watching this video. Cancel. Please enter your message here. See you in the next one. Cancel.